Have you ever bought something that seemed like a really great deal, only to realize later it wasn't built to last? Well, when it comes to greenhouses, this decision can truly break or make your gardening experience. Hi, I'm Trevor with Greenhouse Emporium, and today I'm excited to share why we decided to invest in one of the higher quality greenhouses. We'll walk through all the features that makes it stand out, and we'll talk about why we spent just that little bit more up front so that we can save on time, frustration, and save a little bit of money in the long run. So you ready? Let's dig in. Many entry-level greenhouses use thinner materials that may not hold up well against wind or extreme weather. Thin panels can rattle, they can pop out, or leave gaps, making it much harder to maintain that constant environment that you need for your plants. You'll end up paying more, a lot more, for your heating and your cooling. In addition, the framing can bend or break in heavy snowfall or storms, leaving your plants without the protection that it truly needs. See, that's why we went with something that gave us that needed peace of mind. But before I reveal the greenhouse, understand that we literally just finished installation. So as you can see, there's still a lot to do, but we are excited to share this journey with you. Now, here is the greenhouse that we've chosen. The Nelke PRO Greenhouse. It's a brand new model that we're very proud to offer. You know, we've always loved the Riga XL greenhouses, but we just didn't need that deep winter setup, especially here in Texas. But then we saw the Nelke PRO and we simply fell in love. It has the same qualities features as the Riga XL, but it comes in a much more convenient size and shape, which was perfect for us. Here's what makes the Nelke PRO stand out. First, it's built with 16mm triple wall panels. While this might sound like a bit of an overkill here for Texas, it's been a game changer for all those occasional cold spells. Just last week, temperatures ranged outside from 28 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit, while inside it stayed between 55 and 85 degrees. And that was with a much undersized heater for this size greenhouse. Pretty neat. The triple wall design adds insulation, helping us save on energy and keeping our plants happy during those colder days. Oh, hey, did you know that triple wall polycarbonate provides more than twice the insulation of 4mm twin wall panels? It significantly reduces heat loss and savings on heating costs. For example, let's say heating a greenhouse with twin wall panels would cost $100 a month. Triple wall panels would cut that cost by 40 to 50%. Over the winter season, that's $200 to $300 saved, plus a much more stable temperature for your plants. Next, we have wedge seals. This goes between the glazing and the frame. This will stop the panels from rattling and eliminate any gaps where heat could escape. So they tend to add that little extra layer of insulation. This is something that we haven't really seen in the lower end greenhouses, by the way. In addition, the tight fit between the polycarbonate and the sturdy frame here helps with insulation as well. It also means that this greenhouse can withstand some winds without these panels popping out. This is a pretty common issue with lower end greenhouses that tend to use thinner framing and much thinner materials. For us, this greenhouse is about creating a space that works for the fall through the spring. With our Texas heat, we won't be using it very much in the summer, but during the cooler months, it's perfect for keeping plants safe and thriving. Now, there is one very good reason to start with a budget-friendly greenhouse. If you're not sure whether greenhouse gardening is for you, an entry-level option can be a great way to get started. Just keep in mind, the usability might be limited and you might need to upgrade later, especially if you want something a little more durable or for better insulation. Did you know the average lifespan of a budget greenhouse is only about 3 to 5 years, whereas premium models like the Nelke PRO can last over a decade with proper maintenance. And some of the high-end greenhouses actually have been standing up for multiple decades. Plus, the warranty alone is 10 to 15 years. ensuring that long-term value and peace of mind. In the end, when choosing a greenhouse, think about what you'll need over the long term. A little extra investment up front can mean fewer headaches and more time enjoying your gardening. That's why we picked this beautiful greenhouse. And if you're just starting out, there's no shame in beginning in a smaller, budget-friendlier option. We've all been there, starting small, testing the waters, and learning as we go. Thanks for watching, y'all. And if you're considering a greenhouse, drop your questions in the comments. Over the next few weeks, we're going to share much more about the foundation work, the assembly, and more. So make sure to subscribe. We'll catch y'all later.